Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. Despite breaching the 1.0700 level, EURUSD has not been able to prolong the downward cycle. As a result, the volume of short positions initially decreased, followed by a price rebound. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI indicator is hovering in the upper area of 5070, which points to the bullish sentiment. Meanwhile, the alligator's MAs are intertwined in the 4-hour chart, signaling a slowdown of the downtrend. Keeping the price above the 1.0700 level could indicate an increase in buying volumes. In turn, the euro may gradually recover its value. The bearish scenario will come into play once the price returns below the 1.0700 level. Complex indicator analysis points to a bullish bias in the short term and intraday periods. And now it's time for pound sterling dollar pair. Miroslav Bawulski explains. On the 4-hour chart, the main currency pair GBPUSD shows deviations in its price movement using the stochastic oscillator indicator, which gives an indication that in the near future there will be a strengthening of the cable, where the level of 1.2697 will try to be tested. But in the course of strengthening, it could of course GBPUSD was corrected again, weakening down to level 1.2650. But as long as it does not broken below the level of 1.2632, GBPUSD has the potential to continue strengthening up to the level of 1.2730 as the main target, and if the momentum and volatility are supportive, then 1.2777 will be the next target to achieved by in the near future. And finally, here is Laurie Bailey with AUDUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. On the daily chart, the signal line of the Marlin oscillator has formed a wedge and is now close to breaking out of it. The main scenario suggests a bearish breakout with the price breaching the 0.6627. In this case, in case breakout at the support level, the decline will extend to the MACD line, it's a blue line on the graphic, around 0.6590 mark. We also expect the price to breach the MACD line and fall to the target level of 0.6467, the May 1 low. If the alternative scenario unfolds, the price, which has already consolidated above the balance line, it's a red line in the graphic, will break above the 0.6690 and continue to rise to 0.6730. On the 4-hour chart, the price also consolidated above the balance line. The Marlin oscillator is in a neutral position, moving along the zero line, just below it. If the price consolidates below the MACD line, 0.6643. It will be a strong argument for the bears to breach the 0.6627. That's all for today. See you online soon.